Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never.
Y'all, welcome back to Miss Pinky channel. But first, I want y'all to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and leave a comment in the section and share this video, y'all. Share this video. So today, what I have for y'all today is some chicken wings, Rally's French fries. I bought it from the store, and pizza. It's a deluxe supreme pizza. If y'all can see this. Oh, this chicken. Oh, this chicken. I hope y'all can hear me good because my iPhone been giving me a lot of problems. Boom. Maybe I should put my light on. I don't know. Let me see. That piece will look good, y'all. And what I have to drink is my water, my cream of soda, put that on the side, my hot sauce for my chicken, and my lemon pepper for my wings too. Boom. So let's get it in. Or let's eat this food. Whatever. I didn't want my water to spill on me. Water is good. I'm about to bust open this cold drink. Put it right down. Why can't you go sit down? Okay, dope. So how y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing good. I should have cut this piece off. Well, y'all can see me struggle. Y'all can see me struggle. And nothing wrong with that. I don't know what I want to bite in first. I got so much of food. Pizza and wings. What a treat, huh? What a treat. I'm gonna cut this piece into 4 parts because, yeah. I hope y'all doing good on this beautiful Thursday. I should be pumped up because Friday, the next day. Thank God for Friday. Hey. So, yo. Let me give y'all the first bite. There y'all go. Pepperoni. onions, black olives, and drop a piece on the table. The only time I eat black olives is on the pizza. Maybe on a Subway sandwich. But I'm still struggling trying to make my thumbnails look good. And this my Android phone, so yeah, y'all. My last video was a hot mess. That iPhone. How many of y'all want that iPhone 11? It's the same as the X Max, except it got 2 or 3 cameras, and it costs a lot more. I don't know. A lot of people. But what you gonna do with 3 cameras? I don't know. You just need one. I forgot to put my phone on airplane mode. Hot mess. Rushing. I ain't want my pizza to burn up. I ain't want my wings to overdo it. I ain't want my fries to get cold. I got to do better. You know y'all ready for me to eat this chicken. After y'all done saw me dump a whole load of lemon pepper on here. Look at that hot sauce. Yeah, baby. Oh, I learned how to fold my chicken wings back from looking at Gina Young in the kitchen. I learned how to do that from her, y'all. Thank you, Gina. If you're looking at this, if you ever gonna find me on here. Let me see how they get it there. That chicken hot, though. Some people record with their back, with the back of the camera. It says the best. But yeah, I don't know. I just like looking at myself, I guess. I don't know. What if you record back of the camera and the whole time your camera is this position? Then you have to, how you supposed to record again? I don't know. Like you just did a whole recording and your phone is positioned weird, like your half of your head cut off or something. I don't know. That's the way I think. My wings came out successful. Everybody can fry chicken. I forgot what I was talking in my last video. I didn't know if I was saying why I didn't record it on Thursday. Because that girl was dizzy. Ain't nobody about to get on the camera like that. I should have had a garbage next to me. I just put it on this napkin over here. I need a microphone. Y'all, my nose trying to run on me. Wiping my nose on camera and stuff. Don't judge me. But I'd rather not have a snotty nose on camera. Know what I'm saying? Show y'all these rally fries. This stove bought. The clothes on the rallies where I'm at. You gotta go all the way home. Ain't got no ride. Ain't no money paying people $30 or $50 just to go right there home. Chicken wing. Chicken wing. Oh, chicken wing. How many of y'all eat this part? Raise your hand. I just like the crispiness of it. That's all. About to say with my chicken. That person said you bougie or something. I don't know. I love me some lemon pepper, y'all. Lemon pepper gonna be the reason why I got high blood pressure. Don't judge me now. Let's throw the hot sauce on the chicken. Drip. I'm just all in the cow. I'm up too close to y'all. I don't know. Y'all tell me one day. How many of y'all on Facebook? Facebook done turned into a hot mess. I don't even get on Facebook no. I have 2 Facebook pages. I don't get on anymore. Try to promote my channel and thing on there. Oh. I'm trying too much with my mouth open. I'm just tripping. I don't know. Y'all, my video gonna be long. How slow I mean, that will never be no challenges. Restaurant and get choked. Nobody ain't told me yet to chew with my mouth closed or don't chew with food in your mouth. What chicken y'all want me to grab? This one? I'll grab that one for y'all. You can tell this chicken good because I only had one piece of pizza. Don't worry, I'm going to eat another one. This is kind of hot sauce I'm using. Oh, this chicken wing. Yes, I clean my bones sometimes. I clean my bones. Especially on chicken wings. It's expensive. But they have a sale of them. Get 8 wings for $4.99. It's pretty good to me. $5 for 8 wings. Y'all time is disturbing me. I've been on here for 17 minutes already. I think I've been lying. Maybe not. Maybe because I'm eating slow. But I be seeing some of y'all mukbangers be stuffing a whole lot of food in your mouth. It was like dirt. Like, y'all don't get choked. I feel like y'all about to choke. It really be smelling like, and I just be looking. I never was a fast eater. Y'all, I'm going from cold drink to water. Yes. Everybody's naming their drink. I don't know the name of mine. Oh well, this is just the beginning. I'm gonna pick a piece with a lot of olives on it. And this one got a whole bunch. Oh. Peekaboo. Hello. One, two. So I ate 3 wings. 3 wings. So y'all be going to like concerts. Who y'all think of favorite singer or rapper? And would y'all go to their concert? Me, I ain't never been to a concert. I know, right? It's crazy. Me and my son both got our passports. I was about to go travel to Africa, but God, what is that? Something is very disturbing when I'm trying to record. What I was saying? Oh yeah, your girl about to go to Africa. Yeah, I shouldn't even leave that part on there. But I'm gonna do it anyway, because I don't like all that. I like to keep my stuff real. The guy had to change his mind real quick. I could travel. You got so much places to travel. I don't know. If I travel to Africa, I need, like, I want to travel with a group. You know what I'm saying? I'm scared to go by myself. And the weather changed up again. It was hot. Now it got cool again. You don't know if you want to put the air conditioning on. You don't know if you need to put the heat on. Lord, Louisiana, come on. I was hoping it would snow this year. Yeah, I know, right? For a person to say they wish it would snow. Yeah, I'm not used to snow. So whenever I do see it, it'd be amazing. But at the same time, I'm not going out there and flip down. But it's very pretty to look at. I was in Alabama. And I was in Alabama for a little while. And then it snowed. And I was out. Handling some business. And it snowed. All of a sudden. I wasn't prepared. I had a little thin jacket on, like some shoes with some thin socks. Slippery shoes is that? Lord. But the buses had stopped passing. The girl was stuck. So, and then where I was at, they about to close down. So I had to walk. Took a chance and walked, right? Dumb. You gotta have fell 5 times in the middle of the road. Just like Superman. And I had cracked 2 of my ribs. Bad. And here I am talking about wishing the snow, right? Yeah, wishing the snow, but your girl ain't going out nowhere. Ooh, Lord. When you crack your rib, you can't raise your arm. You can't even, I couldn't really took a bath. I had to use my left hand. I use because my right side, was injured. My ribs on this side were injured. So I couldn't even comb my hair. A mess. And me, I don't like to take no pills. For the pain. I don't like the way how it make me feel. Y'all, this video is 26 minutes. Tripping. I'm tripping today. Or maybe time to say something fast. I don't know. You gotta have pizza and wings. And I'm stuffing myself. So I want to eat more than what I had the last time. But pizza and wings, y'all. I'm gonna be going to Jenny Craig's. Jenny Craig's, help me. Help me, Jenny. Lord have mercy. I'm going to attract them on. Yep. Going to attract tomorrow. Y'all, I am full. Jesus, take the wheel. Take the wheel, Jesus. I don't know if my mama gonna eat these wings because I didn't put hot sauce all over them. Well, I don't know. She might not. My son definitely gonna eat this. I took his wings out. Oh. Look, y'all. This is a extremely long video. I need to learn how to eat faster. That's what I need to do. This big bright light. Y'all probably talking about my little napkin. This big bright. This shit was a mess. I'm gonna clean it. Well, y'all, you got it. Got down, talk about some crazy things, stories or whatever. But I'm about to close this video out. I can't talk today. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up this video if you like it. Share it. Comment. Talk to your girl. And yeah. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace out. Nothing but peace, love, and happiness. Let's live happy, baby.
That's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.